Hey Abdi, this is your news. See, I'm doing it at Belladrum, and check this out. We got Scots and t-shirts here with taps half pads on. Now fits aboot is to mark sicker at Quines aren't feared about getting CPR in a public setting. And half agreed hang it are doing here, and they're learning and argue about free CPR. And Ken, aye, and this is the man that's a hint at us.
Hi, my name's Graham. I work for NHS Heiland and we teach resuscitation skills mostly to our nursing and medical staff, but we're here to reach out to the public, get over the hang-ups that some guys have while trying to resuscitate a woman in public settings, and the fear of touching her chest and being seen as being inappropriate. So this is one of the appropriate times in public that it's okay, and in fact it could be potentially life-saving. So that's what we're up to for the rest of the festival.
Fantastic, so if you hear that's half agreed advice, and Max, again to the NHS to finish being reviewed. So, aye.